Welcome to the SW.o.t., the Swabian on tour. Another day out. Germany will host the 2024 European Football Championship, and some games take place here in Stuttgart. That's why Stuttgart prepared some or made a setup from a few fan zones, and we'll take a look at this. But first, I will show you this view. From this hotspot here you see miles and miles and miles and miles away the landscape and the horizon from Stuttgart, and this view is the northeast from Stuttgart. Okay, it's a little bit bad. There's a pattern in its way. They made here a new playground, and here I will show you also the west side from Stuttgart, the west to the south. Look how nice some houses are. Also here in the distance you can see it very good. There are beautiful houses. I'll show you this in later videos. But look how bad the clouds are. It's raining again and again and again and again, and I make a video where I tell a few more about the weather from Germany this year. Here's an overview over the public viewing fan zone on the Schlossplatz in Stuttgart. Here you know it, it's the Königsbau, and here the fans have a big LED screen where they can watch the actual game. Today plays Romania against Ukraine. You have here the entrance. The security is very high these days. Here's a little bit promotion, and you see it. The police also there. No entrance, kein Eingang. That's the backside. And the sponsors also there with zero sugar. Little, it's no advertisement now. Here a prime sponsor, BYD. They made it, and they have the official cars. Volkswagen hasn't or wasn't interested to bid more money for the promotion cars. Also the kids can play soccer with this or with this. Yeah! And look, the police gather. They gather together. And there's the main entrance from the fan zone. You must give away your backpack. The security wants to see inside if you have weapons or so. And that's the main place here. Directly near the Neue Schloss, the new castle, is the main entrance. The mobile doctor's office here. A trailer.
Thank you!
Not so many is going on because the soccer game is in, I must look, in 1 hour.
I love you too.
And here is a guest on the stage.
I love you too. Oh, I see. I see you want one more song. Can we do one more song? Shall we do what would you like to do? Okay, let's do a ballad.
On the
For the
Schlossplatz.
last song, a special song. Goes on.
Let's go. And here the kids can play on sand. When the sun is shining, beautiful light falls here on the square, on the Square, the Schlossplatz. But today it's cloudy. That's a safe space, a safe tower. You can call the emergency and you must say this number and the emergency knows where you are, exactly where you are. And that's the safer space location here. You can see it here. Look how nice this old London bus, black one, a fan club from the DFB. That looks pretty good. Very nice. I have to seek shelter from the rain, and I'm inside in the market hall. Look how nice the market sellers here and the ceiling. I'll show you this in a later video, in a future video, and we see the market hall soon. Because I think it's not allowed to film in the market hall. That's the outside view, and I must make a walkthrough in the future with a candid camera where I can film all the market stands, the sellers and the fruits and all the things what you can buy inside this. And that's the city hall from Stuttgart. And also here they made a setup with all the soccer football action. Here a wall with LCD monitors. Here you can kick on the plate. Plastic grass. And the noise, what you hear, is this small fountain. There's also camera team, professional, with a good microphone. That's all the sponsors from the championship Euro 2024. Normally you see the pavilion without this barrier, but now you can't see anything from the nice Schlossplatz. Only the LED screen here. Or maybe you go here near through the pattern. You can see a little bit from the inside. From this point you see the LED screens from the Schlossplatz pattern. They installed 2 screens for the public. Today the arena or this place is pretty empty because I think the rain is this point that the people doesn't come or don't come. Welcome to Stuttgart, but that's the back view from the Schlossplatz. They made here a barrier also for security measures. Now the live transmission goes on, and in a few minutes the game starts. Romania against Ukraine. The rain is going heavier, and in front of the Neue Schloss, the new castle, I say, yes guys, that was the video. I hoped I can make more clips along the video, but the weather is not looking good again and again and again. Yeah, and I say, tschüssle, have a nice day, and yeah, if you like the video, you can give me a thumbs up, push the notification bell and subscribe to the SWOT. When the SWOT is on tour again, on another day out, I hope on a sunnier day out, and you have here the Neue Schloss, all is compact here. The Parliament, Prime Parliament, State Parliament from Baden-Württemberg, and the Eckensee behind me. And yes, with nice flowers. Tschüss.